Hi, I'm Renee. I can't wait to show you all that this amazing community has to offer. At Fairwinds, we offer a variety of spacious single-family homes for your growing family at a great value. With 2-story and ranch homes tucked away in this perfect sandwich location, enjoy more space and updated finishes in an amenity-filled location in the Chicagoland suburbs, off US 34, in walking distance to Prairie View Elementary School. Enjoy a quick walk to Sandwich Splash Pad, where you can enjoy over 1,800 square feet of outdoor water fun. Next door, Milestone Park offers 20 acres of recreational play for all ages. Enjoy a baseball, tennis courts, pickleball, a skate park, and walking trails with acres of open space. Plus, a future dog park is coming soon. The best part? All this fun is located right outside your door. Our homes are equipped with a space and updated features that you've been searching for. With up to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and included basements, your family will love the extra space and additional privacy. Plus, hosting birthday parties or family gatherings in your modern open floor plan becomes much more enjoyable. Enjoy a 2- and 3-car garage, giving you the room you need, no more on-the-street parking or scraping ice off your windshield. From neighboring Yorkville, Aurora, Naperville, and Plainfield just to the east, you'll have great amenities at your fingertips, ranging from the state's largest water park and state park to outlet malls and bustling downtown shopping areas. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, not sure where to start, or someone who's ready to make life a little easier, we're here to walk you through the financing questions and help you find the home that works best for both you and your budget. Join the VIP list for Fairwinds to receive community news and updates straight to your inbox. Plus, you'll be one of the first to purchase when we open. We can't wait to meet you.